Hi everyone, how are you doing today? Today we are going to unwrap an order from Amazon. I ordered a selfie stick because my old selfie stick is already done. It's already done on its service. I have it since 2014. Oh no, 2015. So and it's already 2021 now. So I've been using it forever. So I had to buy a new one because that one is already done. So I'm going to open it. Here's the box, unopened yet. So this is how it looks like. It has a remote. The remote shutter is only for smartphone, not for cameras. And there's the instruction. It's Yunteng. My old one is also Yunteng and I love it very much. So I ordered another one which is also Yunteng because I have a very good experience, awesome, amazing experience with my Yunteng, old Yunteng. It's 3-in-1 selfie stick, but this is not the same as my old one. They don't sell the one that I had before no more. So we're going to open it. I'm holding the camera so it's hard for me to open it without, oh look, it's hard for me to open it with my one hand. Okay, it's open now. Let's put the items out. The box is empty. We have this piece. I forgot what's the name of that piece there, but that's where you insert your phone or your camera. Okay, so here's the paper. You have to charge it first before use for 3 hours. Turn on your smartphone, iPhone or Android. Search for Yunteng device and connect it. Turn on the wireless remote. The switch, blue light will flash. So here's the remote here. You can actually take this off because it's a remote. There's the remote. You have to charge it. It's going up is on, going down is off. This is zoom in and zoom out, and this is the shutter. All right. The most important, contact us if you receive the defective product or have any problem with the remote connection. You can contact us, Amazon, contact seller. Excuse me, that is where you can contact us for customer service. We will do our best to solve your problems. No operation more than 2 minutes, the remote will go into sleep state to save power. That's good. You can save the power. It's not defective. Please return it on by switching. Return it on by switching the switch. It will automatically connect to your phone. Because of cell phone system, only some Android devices can run the zoom in and zoom out functions with a wireless remote control. Apple devices cannot use that function. Oh, so I cannot use it then. If you have Apple device, you cannot use the zoom in and zoom out. This positive and negative. No wonder I cannot use the, I tried it. I thought it's defective, but it was not. Now I know. I did not read the manual before. So that's the answer there. If you have an iPhone or Apple phones, Apple devices, the zoom in and out buttons doesn't work. Only on Androids, but some Android device can run the zoom in and zoom out functions and the remote control. So it means that not all, only some. So we have the cord here and this one. It's tripod. Hold on a second. All right, there you go. You have the stand there. It was all the way up here and I pulled it down so this one would touch the base or to touch the ground, and you have this tripod stable. I've read in the review that it was not stable. Their selfie stick is not stable. Maybe they did not pull this down here because it was here and this is the only one touching the ground. So this three stands here on the other side. There's three. They were not touching the table, only this one in the middle. So you have to pull it down so these three stands could stand or touch the table. And then you can pull this part here. Loosen it. And you can, that's how you put this one here. I believe. Well, we'll do that later. We'll pull this up and it could expand to 40 inches, I believe. There. I'm using my, hold on. So I'm using one hand, that's why it's hard for me to pull it up. Oh, that's how you pull it up, and we'll see. So there you go. You have this one, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 more sections. I think there's one more. Hold on a second. So yep, there was one more here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then that's how it goes. It's long. If you have, I've read in the review before I placed my order that the selfie stick won't stand if they put their device here. Maybe your device is heavy. This is not too big. So if you put a heavy device here, it could fold down. So you have to make sure that the bottom is stable before you put a heavy device. All right, so that's it. Thank you very much for watching. Please don't forget to hit like, comment nicely, share, and subscribe. Bye bye. God bless you all. Thank you for tuning in. If you are new here, please don't forget to subscribe, hit that notification bell, and follow us on Facebook and Instagram. Thank you.